Hey friends, I am making a quick video about regrouping. I thought we might need to do a little review because I noticed a few things in your adding and subtracting decimals that made me think that this is something we should go over. So here is my whiteboard. I'm going to turn my light off so it doesn't glare. Okay. We are going to look at 4 and 2/1000 minus 1 and 958 thousandths. We know that we can subtract this because this is 4 wholes and this is just 1 whole. And we know that because this has 4 wholes, it is the bigger number. So we can subtract these two numbers. But when I start over here on the right, I cannot subtract 2 from 8, right? I can't start with 2 and take away 8. I'm going to have to regroup. So I can't take from the 0. And I always say you cannot give until you take. There's nothing to give yet. So I am not able to go ahead and just give that 12 a 10 or give that 2 a 10 and turn it into a 12. We have to take first. So we can't take from the 0. We can't take from this 0. We have to go all the way to the 4. I take 1 whole and he becomes 3. I take that 1 whole and I give it to the tenths. It becomes 10 tenths. So now we can take from the 10 tenths. It becomes 9 tenths. And we give 10 hundredths. And we can continue to take until we are able to give 10 thousandths. So this now becomes 12 thousandths. Okay, so 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring my decimal down. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so don't forget, you cannot give until you take. And be sure if you have these zeros in between, okay, they become 9s. Once you give 10 and you need to take from it, they then become 9s. Okay, I hope this helps. And I hope y'all have a good Khan Academy lesson today. Hope there are no issues, fingers crossed. And I will see you soon.